Manifest without trying. Absolute insane results. Put this on your phone to manifest instantly. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Hey, that's what this channel is about, your dreams and your goals. So be sure and click the bell icon, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up, because this is your community. This is your space for manifesting, and all of it helps the algorithm. We appreciate it. High flyers, I'd like to invite you to visit pillarsoflove.com. Pillarsoflove.com. Simple as that. And find out how to bring love into your life. It's all there. We share it all. You'll understand everything. Pillarsoflove.com. So, high flyers, the technique I'm going to share with you today, I have personally used, and I've used it numerous times. I mean, I am always using it, but I want to share this with you, and I want to share a particular manifestation and how it worked for me. It's working for people all over the world, and it can work for you too. Look, high flyers, you have the ability to get your mind to go to work for you, to do the manifesting for you, to do the heavy lifting for you so that you don't have to do it yourself. So, high flyers, I want you to think about this. This tool, this phone that you use, your smartphone, I don't know how smart it is, but it's a smartphone. The average person, you're not going to believe this, but the average person looks at their phone 400 times a day. I mean, I don't believe it. 400 times a day, they look at their phone. I believe this is an incredible opportunity to get your subconscious mind working for you, which is connected to the infinite field of potential, or the universe, and helping you to manifest exactly what you desire. You have 400 unique opportunities each and every day to send a message to the reticular activating system in your brain. And as your reticular activating system, your RAS, begins to see the reality that it believes exists, because that's what your RAS does. It begins to act upon what it believes already exists. It will begin to exist in your 3D world. In other words, high flyers, put simply, your RAS is there to help you manifest exactly what you desire, fast, quickly, instantly. You're literally going to begin to see evidence of what you really want. And maybe you've been struggling with that relationship. Maybe you've been struggling with money or success or business, and you're not seeing what you desire. The more you see it, the more you believe it. The more you believe it, the stronger the vibration is to the universe, and the reflection back is physical manifestation instantly. So, high flyers, some people suggest to use an affirmation, to print an affirmation on your phone, on your screen, on your lock screen, or on your save screen, so that every time you pick up that phone and get ready to use it, you see that affirmation. But oftentimes people don't read. In other words, if you know what it says, you're not even going to read it. So think about this. Your affirmation, when you say an affirmation, you are talking to yourself and you're really using your auditory senses. Even if you're saying it to yourself and you're not saying it aloud, you're using your auditory senses. You hear your voice saying the affirmation. Affirmations are less effective than visualization and emotionalization. That's why putting a picture of what you desire on your phone and getting as specific as you possibly can, putting that picture on your phone, and you're going to see it 400 times a day, 400 times a day, and then tie an affirmation. And when you have time, do the affirmation when you see the picture. Now, not long ago, I decided that I wanted a red-eye, wide-body Dodge Hellcat. And I had a picture in my mind of what this car would look like. And I knew that Dodge they only make about 3,000 of these cars a year. I knew that Dodge did not make it the way I wanted it to look. So I created a picture and I placed it on my phone. And it was a picture, guess what? Lightning McQueen. That's what the picture was. So every time I would look at my phone, I would see a picture of Lightning McQueen, and I would visualize myself in that car driving 160 miles an hour. Here's the picture of the car that I manifested. And notice that the design is very similar. I decided to go with the black rather than the red, but the design is basically Lightning McQueen. This car has 800 and some, I forget the exact number, horsepower. It will go 210 miles an hour, and I'm not done modifying it yet. But you get the idea. I saw this picture of Lightning McQueen on my phone over and over and over again. And then I manifested Lightning McQueen, or a facsimile, into my life. Now, here's the affirmation that I believe works well with whatever you put on your phone. I easily get exactly what I desire or something better. So as I looked at the picture of Lightning McQueen, I would say that affirmation. And I believe I got something a little bit better. Okay. It's not quite a toy car, but it's a real car. You get the idea. You can do this with houses. You can do this with cars. You can do this with relationships. You can do this with your career. Stop focusing on getting that little part in that big movie. Focus on being the star of a big movie. Stop thinking about selling a few books to a few friends. Start thinking about selling thousands or millions of books to everybody all over the world. Stop thinking about how you would like your girlfriend or your significant other to talk to you or answer your phone call. Think about the two of you experiencing a wonderful relationship together, living together, loving together, experiencing life together. As Neville Goddard says, go right to the wish fulfilled and put the wish fulfilled on your phone. Your brain is going to see it 400 times a day. Now, when you use a picture along with your affirmation, you're going to get instant results. I mean that. Do it. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.